What's up, Internet? Welcome back to the True Street Show. It's spring here in Wisconsin, and what better way to celebrate than to go get a burger and a milkshake? Have a little fun at a car meet. We're gonna go to Bubba's Burgers out in Pewaukee and see what kind of cars are out there and say hey to some friends. And then after that, I plan on doing a little bit of fishing. So let's see what we catch.
I can watch TV all day in this.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Alright, I won't tell you when Hey, Kevin, put a TV in the garage.
Yeah, I like kitties. They like me back.
Like cheese curds and stuff.
There's cheese curds in there?
Yeah, look at them.
Cheese curds and bacon? Holy shit.
And bacon and ranch. I'm gonna get fat. I'm already fat. Hold up, I'm fat. My Miata said so when it scraped last night.
So what's the verdict? Is it good?
Of course it's good.
Alright guys, we're pulling up to the fishing spot here. It's for the people in this subdivision only, so we kind of about to stay low-key about it. But let's see what we can catch. Should be a good time. This here's my new Miata. I'll probably make a video about it pretty soon, showing you what it's all about. This pond is a pretty fun little fishing spot. It's got bluegills and crappies and bass, all kinds of fish. I just like how close it is to my house, and it's surrounded by trees, so it's kind of private. It's like its own little spot. It's a good time. This is the first spot we're gonna fish right here. In the springtime, anywhere there's water coming in, that usually brings bugs and warmer water and stuff into the pond. So all the fish should be right there. We'll have to try it though. Since it's springtime, I'm fishing with a small jig and I'm going as slow as I can. Ooh, we got a fish. What do we got, guys? Looks like just a little bluegill, but I guess it's a good way to start. Any fish is better than no fish, right? Oh, looks like we got another fish. Just another little bluegill. Looks like today's gonna be full of cars and bluegills. Uh-oh guys, we got a big one. Oh, no, just a bluegill. He's really feisty. You see that jump? That was crazy. Oh! Here he is, guys. The feistiest bluegill in the whole pond. Did you see that jump? What do you think he was, a bass? That was really funny. So it's pretty good. All right, let's let him go. That little twitch of the rod really makes that jig wiggle, and then the fish always hit it. Right now the water's so cold that you got to go as slow as possible, and then you'll catch a fish. Just a bluegill, but better than not catching any fish. I'm having a lot of fun. Oh, looks like we got another bluegill, guys. Looks like we got another bluegill, guys. I was hoping to catch some of the crappies that are in this pond, but it looks like the bluegills are the only thing that are biting today. Oh well, I like catching bluegills. Uh-oh, guys. I hooked a really big crappie. Oh man, I wonder if I'm gonna land him. I guess he's not really big, but he's a pretty darn big crappie compared to all those bluegills we got today. Here we go. Oh yeah. Well, that's a nice fish. This pond right here has a bunch of crappies like this. Bigger ones. You just gotta find them. Put my rod down here. It's a nice little crappie. He's no 13-incher or nothing, but for a nice early spring day in Wisconsin, I'd say he's pretty good. Let's let him go. Well, my batteries are about to die and the sun's going down. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the True Street Show, subscribe to our channel.